Hey everyone! Today we're covering a best practice for model organization, creating a dedicated measures table in Power BI. This technique groups all your DAX measures into one spot, drastically improving model readability and maintenance. Method 1. Create a blank table via Modeling tab. This is the most direct way to create a container for your measures. 1. New table. Open the Modeling tab and choose New Table. 2. Define and name. Name the table clearly, like Calculations, and leave the formula box empty. The table will be blank, serving as a container. 3. Move measures. In the Fields pane, drag each existing measure from its original table and drop it onto the new Calculations table. Method 2. Create a blank table using Enter Data. This is an alternative approach using the Power Query interface. 1. Enter Data. Go to the Home tab and click Enter Data. 2. Leave blank. In the dialog, set a table name, for example, Calcs table, but do not enter any rows or columns. Keep the grid empty. 3. Load and move. Click Load. Power BI adds an empty table to the model, then move your existing measures into this new table. Power BI reserves the name Measures, preventing you from directly naming a table that. If you still want the table to appear at the top of the fields list, 1. New Table with DAX. Create a new table using the New Table button. 2. DAX trick. Enter the following DAX expression, including a leading space, which makes the name syntactically valid while leaving the table empty. DAX. Measures equals empty. Note, the expression should be measures equals empty, with a space before measures, but the system doesn't allow rendering the space here. Conceptually, use a leading space. 3. Move measures. Once the table appears, drag your measures into this new table. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.